Once upon a time, in the charming town of Whiskerville, lived a curious little girl named Lily and her mischievous cat, Whiskers. One sunny day, they discovered a magical rainbow portal in their backyard. Unable to resist, Lily and Whiskers took a leap and found themselves in a land of candy-colored clouds. There, they met Sprinkle, a fluffy cloud creature who needed help collecting star sprinkles to light up the night sky. Excited, Lily and Whiskers teamed up with Sprinkle, embarking on a sweet adventure through marshmallow meadows and jelly bean jungles. They giggled as they bounced on cotton candy trampolines and slid down rainbow slides. With teamwork and laughter, they gathered enough star sprinkles to create the most dazzling night sky Whiskerville had ever seen. As they stepped back through the rainbow portal, they knew that even the smallest adventures could make the world a brighter, sweeter place. And so, Lily and Whiskers cherished their magical memories, forever grateful for the joy they brought to Whiskerville.